Welcome guys to the second section of this series of lessons on creating online dashboard. So in this section we will upload our own geospatial data to ArcGIS Online, and then out of it we can create a dashboard. Here we have a huge geospatial data. When we talk about geospatial data, it means our data has longitude and latitude values. So as you see, these are the longitude values and these are the latitude values, the exact location of the accidents in this data. This is a data about the total accidents that has occurred during 2017 in the UK. So it is a huge data. It has 69 columns, and as well as it has about 275,697 rows. So if we spend hours looking into it, we won't figure it out. What does it talk about? So it is a huge data, and therefore we need to visualize it, and after visualizing we will figure it out. What does this data talk about? And so after that we can figure it out, and if there were some problems we will find a solution for that. So let's upload it. Before uploading, make sure that your data has the format of CSV. So I have saved this one in the format of CSV. Then after that, it's you can upload it into the ArcGIS Online. Okay, so let's get started. So this is my file, the UK RTA 2017 car accidents. It has the format of CSV, so we can simply upload it. So go to your browser